Hi everyone, this is Paul from Equipt Expedition Outfitters, and I want to show you a new product that we have here. It's called a canine Stor more kit. It's kind of unique in what it can do for you. What we have is 4 corner brackets. They're all unique corner brackets. They oppose on each corner. We've got one down there in the back corner, front corner here, and one on the back corner. And each one of the corners, if you can see over here, has one of our black eye bolts going through it. And so what you can do is you can take a ratchet strap up and over opposing corners and lock it in place. Now if you look at this thing, it is not moving anywhere. Nice and solid. It makes it a great opportunity for putting some cases on there that you just want to strap down in place. It's going to be a lot more cost competitive in the range for the AluBox mounts. It's also going to be easier to adjust for mounts that don't work in our K9 AluBox mount. You can use this for all sorts of things, whether it's a wolf case, action packers, AluBoxes, of course, or anything else that you need to strap down, because you can corner off the areas, tighten those in place, and then strap it down over the top. A very nice option or opportunity for you for your roof rack system. Appreciate you taking the time. Thank you.